Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Roya and I thought it would be fun to go through those fancy pictures we often see in food magazines. Try out the recipes and see if they're as delicious as they look. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up as it's a powerful motivation for me to make more videos. And also don't forget to subscribe. Alright, let's get into today's recipe. I'm eager to know if my mango fluff tickle your taste buds as much as that mouth-watering picture in the food magazine. So go ahead, comment below and let me know your thoughts. Last up is my review for this mango fluff. It was very tasty. It definitely had that sweetness going on from the condensed milk and cream mixed with mango pulps. Actually, I might try making this with a different kind of fruit next time. Strawberry would be good as my kids like it more. Yeah.
looks good. Let's try some. Yum. Yummy. Tastes like bristles. This tastes like bristle. I love it. All of them are almost alike, but this one is one ahead, this one is one ahead, and this one is one ahead, 0 ahead.